Halika dito. Isa ka ba sa mga taong hindi alam mag-filter sa Python? Halika, tuturuan kita. Nandito na naman tayo sa Kaggle. Tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-filter gamit ang pandas. Okay, yung iba sasabihin nila, bakit yan ang ginagamit yung process? Hindi ba dapat yung .iloc? Kasi meron ito .iloc or .loc. So, sasabihin nila yan dapat yung gagawin. But, pwede naman, itong tuturo ko pwede din. Okay? So, let's just import. Then, ito, ginawa ko na lang ito para, alam mo yun, mag-generate lang siya ng 50 data points. So, yung magiging dataset natin will compose of the first name, last name, age, and the salary of each person. Ayan. So, we have our first name, last name, age, and salary. Okay, as you can see, meron tayong 50 data points o 50 rows. Ngayon, yung format ng pwede ba natin tawaging query or just simply filter? We'll just be using filter. Ang magiging format ng pag-filter natin is, so ito yung magiging magiging format natin. So let's start. So there are 4 conditions that we need to answer. First one would be the filter people older than 30. So ayan. So sa una hindi natin mapapansin, ito na yung mga natin. So hindi nyo naman iisa-isahin na titignan yung ages. So magandang gawin natin. Ang reference natin, we have 50 rows. Now, let's see kung ilang rows na lang ito. So, we have now 30. Next, let's go to the next. We have condition 2, filter people with salary greater than $50K. So, we can see now na naka-filter na naman tayo. But, ayun nga, sabi ko nga, it's not that it's saddle kasi hindi natin makita agad. Alangan iisa-isa yung bilangin. So, why not just use the length function? So, we filtered out 37 rows. So, let's move on to condition 3. So, filter people with the last name Smith. Okay, ang gagawin nyo lang dyan, then, is equal to, remember na iba yung equal dun sa double equal. Kasi ang ginagawa pag single equal, parang ina-assign mo yung value. But equivalency yung hinahanap natin. Okay? Okay, so nataon siguro na walang Smith sa natin, sa dataset natin. Randomly na selected. So una, why not just select any other, let's say brown. Kapalitan natin ito brown. Okay, it should be last name. Let's see, Walker. Ayun. So, in our data set, we have three people that has the last name Walker. And then, let's go now for the last condition, which is the age. Filter people between 25 and 35 years old. So, gagamit tayo ng pangalawang condition dito. So,